Here we're given a function, f of x, defined over all real numbers. We're being asked to complete the table of values and draw the graph on the axes provided for this function. So we're going to do this using our CG50. We're going to input the data into the table first. So we go to 7 to get to table. Then delete the function that's already there, f2 and then f1, and then type in this function, which is x cubed, come out of the power, plus 3x squared, minus 4. And then I'm going to set my table up to go from minus 3 to 3 in steps of 1, because that's what I'm stepping up in here. Enter and get my table. And I get the values minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 16, and 50. Now to plot those points on the graph, scroll down a little bit so we can see the axes. When x is negative 3, we're going to have negative 4. It's going to go through this point here. When x is negative 2, it goes through 0. When x is negative 1, it goes through negative 2. When x is 0, it goes through negative 4. When x is 1, it goes through 0. When x is 2, it goes through 16, so somewhere off the top here, and even further off the top here. So it's going to do something like, coming along, let's try that again, something like this, maybe something like this, and off up like that. We don't know exactly what's happening here. Is that a maximum? Does it go above and then come down a bit? We don't actually know from here. We haven't worked out enough information. Let's have a look at the graph on our CG50. So going across to graph, which is number 5. Draw it because it's already in there, and we can see we set our view window to go from minus 3 to 3, and the y-axis goes from minus 6 to 10. We can see the graph, and we can see that it does hit there and then come down and then back up like this, and we're pretty close to exactly what that looks like there.